cause and effect. What is cause and effect? The cause is the reason something happened, while the effect is the result of what happened. For example, when a sun shines after it rains, a rainbow is the result. So the sun shining after the rain is the cause, and the result, which is the rainbow, is the effect. Now, even though the cause always happens first, it may not be written first. In this example, I know that the sun and rain happened before the rainbow, the cause and then the effect. However, when I write it, it doesn't have to be in the same order. I could write, "We see a rainbow because the sun came out after the rain." Just like many things in English, authors use many keywords to show a cause and effect relationship. Let's take a look at some examples. The ice cream melted because the sun was hot. The ice cream melted since the sun was so hot. In these two examples, the effect was written first, which is the ice cream melting. But because of two keywords like because and since, I was able to show the cause, which is the sun being very hot. I could also say the sun was so hot, therefore my ice cream melted. Or the sun was so hot and as a result, my ice cream melted. Now in these two examples, I wrote the cause first, which is the sun being so hot. However, I used two different keywords to show the effect after it, which is therefore and as a result. Here are some signal words that we use to show the cause and effect relationship. Because, since, if, then, due to, so, therefore, thus, as a result, and consequently. Now that you understand the meaning of cause and effect and learned a few keywords, see if you can identify the cause and effect in the next story you read, or practice using these keywords in your next journal writing. Thanks for watching!